Welcome to the Shady place. In this episode, we spend the night below the Somerville Dam, drive into the Monongahela National Forest, and do a little upgrade to the RV. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Oh, there's the sign! Look! I think this is the first. There's like nobody really here at all. So we get the pick of the litter. There is a car here, but I don't think they're camping overnight. I think they're just chilling. So here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are all of the spots here, and that's the car I was talking about. But yeah, we'll just find one of these spots here, and this is where we're gonna be sleeping for the night. Shay's doing his little walk around to make sure the spot's okay. All right, now we got camp all set up here. Shay's gonna be making burgers for dinner tonight. Oh yeah. So yeah, this will be the spot just for tonight. It's good for just one night.
Yeah, this spot worked out a lot better than we thought it was going to, or I thought it was going to at least.
No, I agree. I thought there was going to be more people here.
Yeah, the spots are really close together, but
yeah,
there's nobody here, so it's pretty nice.
Right. Bon appetit.
So I had to build a bracket for our weBoost that we got, a little upgrade for the RV. You know, it came with a ladder mount, which would be great if we had a ladder, but we don't. So I built this little bracket that we can put it right in the edge of the RV where it's all the metal stripping. Same thing in the kayak, pretty much. And I'm just gonna take this, put it right there in the middle. Good to go.
Word. Good morning. So we had a good sleep here last night. This actually turned out to be a really good camping place. We are going to be heading out. We got to get some water and a couple other RV to-dos, and then we'll be headed to our spot for the weekend.
Up in the Allegheny Mountains in West Virginia, the Monongahila National Forest.
So let's go ahead and pack up Thoretta.
All right, we're all packed up, ready to go. Let's do it. All right, so we are headed. First, we got to do the dump station.
If you are a full-time RVer and you do travel around, or just for the weekend warriors, double check your rest areas. Sometimes they offer free dumping stations.
Then we're gonna go to Walmart and get some groceries and stuff. And we're gonna head to the Monongahila National Forest and go to Shaver Creek Road, dispersed camping. There's some campsites along the creek there, and hopefully it'll be nice and private for the holiday weekend. Done. Now we're trying to find propane.
We went to two places and they don't fill up on RVs.
Another town to go through.
Okay, after like what, 2 hours of driving? Maybe an hour, I don't know, but it feels like forever. We finally made it to the dispersed camping spot. This is where we're gonna be spending the weekend. We do have to travel down this gravel road for a little bit, and then hopefully we'll find our spot. We're going, we're going, we're going. That was a long road, and I think Shay is beat. So we literally just pulled into the first one that we could find. I think we're just gonna chill here for the evening. We've kind of done a lot today, and then we'll check out more spots tomorrow. It's good for the night.
Yeah.
We're tired. We're done. This is good for the night.
We can try tomorrow to walk up and down the road to find a better spot.
Yeah.
This road's pretty rough.
It is pretty rough.
2 miles.
And in like an hour, like it felt like forever. All right, let's go ahead and get her straightened out.
A few inches later.
Yeah, so this will do just for tonight. We're hoping to go down that road there and maybe find something a little bit better, but hey, I'm okay with this for the weekend. We're around nature. There's like nobody around. Feel pretty secluded. Yeah, this is my kind of camping for the holiday weekend. Good morning. We had a good night last night. Unfortunately, we did do a little walk down that road this morning, and this is actually the only spot available. So Shay did a really good job picking this spot, so kudos to him. So this will be the spot for the next couple of days. We're just gonna hang out and do some editing and work on a couple other things. Oh, coffee's ready. That's my cue. Oh yeah, coffee. Okay, today is project day. Shay's got it all ripped up here.
We are continuing our weBoost installation. I got the cable run through the little fridge vent, and it comes down and it comes out into here. So here's the top of the fridge vent right here. That's where this cable's run down to the inside. So the antenna, we're gonna mount it right here. This little bracket I made yesterday. Right next to the bathroom window. Can you hold this? I'm gonna make some marks. We put it along this metal strip right here to give it some rigidity. Same thing I did with the kayak straps. And so, because this is not very strong. Some silicone. Put silicone all over this. Put all those screw holes.
Ooh, it's a messy job, huh?
Can you hold this, Katie? Alright, let me go get that screw.
We dropped a screw. I'll go get it, honey.
You go get it?
Yeah, I'll go get it.
You can kind of play with this silicone too, make it look halfway decent.
Got it. I got it. Yeah.
Some silicone. Put silicone all over this. Alright, we got the silicone on there. I have some spray Flex Seal stuff I'm going to do all around this too to make it look nice and white. We got to let it dry before we do the Flex Seal.
Good job, baby. High five. I'm really excited about this weBoost thing. It's nice to not have service, to be able to, you know, kind of cancel your mind from all of the social media and stuff like that. But we need this to kind of keep in touch with you guys, and also to like check the weather and stuff, just in case something crazy happens and we don't know, you know? So this guy right here, I'm really excited about that guy.
All right, now that we got the wire ran, we ran it from this side of the couch over to this side of the couch, which is where I have all the electronic stuff. Got the inverter over there, our solar controller, fuse box. So now we got to mount this, which hooks the antennas up to it. I think I'm gonna mount it right over there on that little bar. All right, we got that mounted. Now we have to mount the inside antenna and put it right there in the corner. Let's see if that works.
Good morning. So today is our last day here in the National Forest, but on our walk the other day, I saw a pipe like poke it out of the rock, And that usually means that it's spring water. So got my jug here. I'm gonna go fill up the water. I'm not gonna be drinking this water. This water is specifically for Spike and Pedro. Give them some nice fresh mountain water. Shay's getting Rusty's leash on, and we'll go ahead and head on down. Mountain water for the plants. All right, looks like she's full. Man, that looks super clear. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little slurp. That's good. Oh my God, that was totally worth it. Isn't it clear, Shay?
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna try not to scare them, but there's like a little patch of butterflies. Oh my God, they're like congregating. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're drying their wings. I'm not sure. You can see right through it. Cheers. Good boy. All right.
We're leaving.
We're leaving. We're just gonna be doing some driving. I think we're heading to Morgantown or something like that.
Yeah, we're headed northern West Virginia, so we're gonna go through Morgantown.
Get that gas that we never got from Tractor Supply, so.
Propane,
Yeah, so be an RV to-do day. So we'll see you in the morning.
Have a good one.
Bye!
Nope.